Well, I made it. South Llano River State Park. Kind of nice. Little thunderstorms maybe tonight, maybe not. Side 11. Left Georgetown around 8:30 this morning. I guess it's around 2:30 or so, 3 o'clock. All right, I'm gonna relax a little while, let things cool off a little bit. It didn't get real hot today. 85, something like that. I think we're gonna put the tent right in here. Yeah, right in there, I hope. Don't really want to be under that tree. That's kind of in like a drainage thing, so check it out.